Example, find equation of tangent and normal to the curve. Find equation of tangent and normal to the curve. X is equal to sin theta and y is equal to cos 2 theta at theta is equal to pi by 6 and theta is equal to pi by 6. We have to find equation of tangent and normal to this curve at the given point theta is equal to pi by 6. This curve is given in the form of parametric equation. हे जे इक्वेशन्स दिले ते आपल्याला पॅरामेट्रिक इक्वेशनच्या फॉर्म मध्ये दिलेले आहे. ओके, थीटा इज द पॅरामीटर. सो we can differentiate x with respect to theta, y with respect to theta, and then we find the derivative of y with respect to x, dy by dx. Okay, by parametric rule of differentiation for parametric functions. The second way is there. If I can convert y in terms of x directly or x in terms of y directly, then also it is easy to directly differentiate y with respect to x. But at that time, remember, I have to convert this parameter theta is equal to pi by 6 in the coordinate form. So first of all, I will do that thing. Here it is possible to write me this y in terms of x, because given y is equal to, given that y is equal to cos of 2 theta, y is equal to cos of 2 theta, then I know the formula. Y is equal to cos of 2 theta means y is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Y is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta is the formula. So this cos 2 theta is converted into sin theta, and sin theta is nothing but x. Sin theta is nothing but x. Cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square theta. We learned this in our 11th standard. Okay, so this is equal to 1 minus 2 times sin square theta means x square, 1 minus 2x square. So this y is equal to 1 minus 2x square is our equation. This is equation number 1. Now I have to find the tangent at the point theta is equal to pi by 6. So I will convert this into coordinate form. Parametric form जो आहे तो आपण कन्वर्ट करूयात कोऑर्डिनेट फॉर्म मध्ये. and at theta is equal to pi by 6, at theta is equal to pi by 6, what will be the value of x? Value of x will be, x is equal to sin of theta means sin of pi by 6, and value of sin of pi by 6, sin of pi by 6 means 30 degree. It is nothing but 1 upon 2. Also y is equal to, what is y? Y is cos 2 theta, or now using x you can find y here also. You can find by this way, you can find by this way also. So y is equal to cos of 2 times theta means pi by 6, that is equals to cos of 2 into pi by 6 म्हणजे pi by 3, and pi by 3 that is 60 degree, and cos of 60 degree is nothing but 1 by 2 again. So we have to find the tangent at this point, means our point of contact is 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. This is our point of contact. So clearly this is the curve now, and this is point of contact. We have to find tangent and normal to this curve at this point. So our process will start. The first step, to differentiate this with respect to x. So differentiate y with respect to x. What will you get? Differentiating this y with respect to x, it will be dy by dx is equal to, since 1 is constant, its derivative is 0, minus 2 times, what is derivative of x square? You know the formula, x raised to n, dy by dx of x raised to n, s, that is n into x raised to n minus 1. Okay, so it will be x square means derivative of x square is 2 into x, and that is nothing but minus 4 times x is the value of derivative of y with respect to x. First step, this derivative at the point of contact will give me the slope of the tangent, second step. So therefore dy by dx at this point 1 by 2 1 by 2 is nothing but slope of our tangent. This is nothing but slope of our tangent, and this is x is equal to 1 by 2, y is equal to 1 by 2. X and y are given. So what is dy by dx? It is minus 4 times x is there. So what is x? X is equal to 1 by 2, and hence this value is minus 2. So what is the slope of tangent? Therefore slope of required tangent, slope of required tangent is nothing but m is equal to minus 2. I got the slope of tangent. Using slope of tangent, in that step we have to find slope of normal. We know slope and tangent and normals, they are perpendicular to each other exactly. Therefore their slopes are nothing but negative reciprocals of each other. Negative reciprocals of each other. What is the slope of tangent? Its reciprocal, negative reciprocal, will give you the slope of normal. Will give you the slope of normal. Therefore slope of normal, slope of normal, which is given by m dash, that is equals to minus negative reciprocal of this one. So what is reciprocal of minus 2? It is 1 upon minus 2, and this is nothing but minus minus plus 1 upon 2. This is what the slope of normal. Slope of tangent, slope of normal is obtained. Also point of contact is obtained. And now I will find equation of tangent and normal by using the point slope form, our last step to find the tangent and normal. So therefore equation of tangent by point slope form, by point slope form. What is point slope form? Y minus y1 is equal to slope into x minus x1. You just have to put the values of x1, y1 and m. What is x1, y1? x1, y1 which we have obtained. This theta is equal to pi by 2 is pi by 6 is converted into coordinate form, that is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. And what is m? M is slope of tangent. So using this equation we have y minus this y1 is nothing but 1 by 2 is equal to slope of tangent is nothing but minus 2 into bracket x minus, what is x1? That point of contact having x coordinate 1 by 2. So simplifying this, I will have y minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 2x minus minus plus 2 into 1 by 2, that will be 1. Look here, here it is 1 by 2. So simplify this by multiplying 2 on both sides. Therefore you will get 2y minus this 1 is equal to minus 2x into 2, that is equals to 4 plus 2 into 1, 2 multiplied by 2 throughout. 2y minus 1 is equal to minus 2 into 2, that is minus 4 into x plus 1 into 2. Got it? Therefore the equation of tangent will be minus 4x on this side, 4x plus 2y, this plus 2 on this side will be minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 is equal to 0. So this is what equation of tangent, equation of tangent by point slope form. Okay, this is your equation of tangent. At which point? At, you may write here the point also, at 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay, this is your equation of tangent. Now in the same way, by using point slope form, we will find equation of normal also. Therefore equation of normal using the same form, there will be change only in the slope. Remaining part will be same. x1, y1 point of contact is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. No change is there. just slope of normal is different. Therefore, and slope of normal is minus, slope of tangent how much? Slope of tangent is minus 2, yes, and slope of normal is 1 by 2. Therefore, equation of normal is y minus y1 is equal to m dash into x minus x1. Substitute the values. Therefore, y minus 1 by 2 that is equals to m dash means 1 by 2 slope of tangent normal into x minus 1 by 2. Okay, so simplify this. Therefore, y minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 times x minus 1 by 4, multiplying by this, or you may multiply by this 2 on this side. Now look at the denominator. LCM is 4, so throughout multiply by 4 so that we can simplify the terms. Therefore, multiplying by 4 on both sides, 4y minus 1 by 2 into 4 that is 2. This is equals to 4 into 1 by 2 that is 2x minus 4 will get cancelled, and therefore equation of normal is 2x minus 4y minus 1. This minus 2 on this side will be plus 2, that is 2 minus 1 is 1 is equal to 0. This is our equation of normal. Got it? This is our equation of normal. Let us consider the next example. Next one, find point of contact. To find point of contact on the curve. Curve is given. Where the tangents are parallel to the line. Okay, we have to find points on the curve, means we have to find point of contact. Points on the curve. Which curve is there? Equation of curve is given. Y is equal to x cube minus 2x square minus x. Y is equal to x cube minus 2x square minus x. This is the curve where the tangents are parallel to. Where means at these points the tangents are parallel to. The line given 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. We have to find equation of points on the curve. This one where the tangents are parallel to the line. Curve equation is given. A equation of line is given. Our tangent is parallel to this line, means slope of this line and slope of our tangent will same, and then we have to find where the tangent is tangent to our curve, that is point of contact we have to find. So consider the given curve y is equal to x cube minus 2x square minus x. This is the curve given. Suppose this is equation number 1. As usual, we will differentiate this, then we will find slope of tangent, and that will give you the point of contact. How? See, differentiate this equation 1 with respect to x. Differentiate 1 with respect to x. What we have to do? It should be clear first. This is equation of the curve. By our process, first we will differentiate this with respect to x. We will find dy by dx. Now, actual value of dy by dx at point of contact is our slope of tangent. But point of contact we have to find one more thing given us is this line is there which is parallel to tangent. So we can find slope of our tangent using this line, and that slope will be nothing but our value of dy by dx at that required point. Okay, so this is total process: differentiate, find dy by dx, find slope, and then equate that dy by dx to that slope, so that we can find the values of x, and by using value of x in this curve we will find the value of y. This is our process. Is that clear? Okay, so consider first of all differentiating this dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to, first of all, x cube is there, so its derivative will be 3x square minus 2 times x square. Derivative of x square is 2x minus x, so its derivative is 1. 3x square minus 4x minus 1 is nothing but dy by dx, value of dy by dx. Okay, now this value I will equate to the slope of the tangent, but I don't know what is slope of tangent. So first of all I will find the slope of tangent. I will find the slope of tangent using this line. So now tangent required is parallel to the line 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, slope of tangent is equal to slope of normal. Slope of tangent is equal to slope of this line. Slope of tangent is equal to slope of this line. They are parallel to each other. Therefore, slopes are equal. Slope of tangent is equal to slope of this line. या लाईनला आपण स्टार करूया. Slope of the line represented by equation star. We know if two lines are parallel to each other, their slopes are equal. If two lines are parallel to each other, their slopes are equal. If two lines are perpendicular to each other, their slopes are negative reciprocals of each other. Tangent and normal are parallel to each other, so their slopes are negative reciprocals of each other. And these two lines are parallel to each other, therefore their slopes equal. Tangent will have the same slope as that of this line. Okay. Now how to find the slope of this line? If equation of line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, you know the general equation, linear equation, then slope of that line is given by, last year we have seen this, that minus a upon b, means minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y, minus a upon b, if the line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So what will be the slope of this line? It is minus a means 3 upon b means minus 1. Therefore, slope of tangent which is given by m is equal to minus into bracket a is coefficient of x, that is 3, b is coefficient of y, that is minus 1, this is equal to 3. Slope of the tangent is 3, and here dy by dx is this one. So this will give me the values of x, and using values of x in equation 1 I will find values of y, and that will be nothing but my point of contact for this tangent. Okay, so now from equation 2 and this slope, equation number 3, suppose, from equation 2 and 3, yes, equating these two equations I will get, equating, we get 3x square minus 4x minus 1 is equal to what is the slope of this tangent is 3. Why to equate these two things? Why are we equating these two things? Because this gives me the slope of tangent at that particular point of contact. But point of contact is to be find here. We have to find here that point of contact. Then what is given to me? Slope is already given. So I will equate these two things and I will find point of contact, coordinates of that point. So solving this equation now, this is 3x square minus 4x, take this 3 on this side, minus 1 minus 3, that is equals to 4. Now look at this, 3 is coefficient of x square and last term is minus 4. So minus 4 into 3, that is minus 12. You have to split that minus 12, so that product is minus 12 and sum is minus 4. So what are the factors? How this can be splitted? 3x square minus 6x plus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. And now take common. Taking 3x as common here, and on this side the common part will be 2 plus 2. So 3x plus 2, and remaining term is x minus 2. X minus 2. These are the two factors. So product of these two terms is equal to 0. Means either one of them should be 0. Okay. So solving that, I will get the values of x, and then substituting that value in our equation of curve, I will have the value of y. So therefore 3x plus 2 is equal to 0, or the second one, x minus 2 is equal to 0, and hence x is equal to minus 2 by 3. This will be the first value, or second value is x is equal to 2. These are the two values of x. By substituting these values in your equation of the curve, you will find point of contact. Remember here, I get value of x, means what is obtained? I obtained the value of x coordinate of that point of contact. Since there are two values of x, means there are two tangents which are parallel to each other. They will have same slope. And now I have to find y coordinate of that point. So since the point is on this curve, I will substitute these values of x, I will find the value of y in this equation. Therefore, substituting in equation 1, from equation 1, I get y is equal to, what is equation 1? X cube. Put this x, minus 2 by 3 bracket cube minus 2x square, means minus 2 by 3 bracket square, and last one is minus x, that is minus 2 by 3. Simplify this, this is equal to cube of this bracket is minus 2 cube 8 upon 3 cube 27. Minus sign will be as it is, cube is there, minus 2 into minus 2 by 3 bracket square, minus minus plus, it will be 4 by 9, and that 4 into 2, that is 8 by 9, minus minus, it will be plus 2 by 3. Take LCM, LCM will be 27, so minus 8 minus, here LCM is 27, so multiplied by 3, 8 3s are 24, plus 27 is the LCM, so multiply by 9, 9 into 2, 18, this is equal to, so what will be the value? 18 minus 8, that will be 10, minus 24 plus 10, that is minus 14 upon 27, minus 14 upon 27 is the value of y. For which value? For which value? for x is equal to minus 2 by 3. So this is the first order pair, first point of contact, and second point of contact in the same way is nothing but by using x is equal to 2, by using x is equal to 2, and for x is equal to 2, y is equal to again 2 cube minus 2 into 2 square minus 2. This is equal to 8 minus 2 square, 4 into 2 8 minus this 2, so this is equal to minus 2. Okay, so for x is equal to 2, I got y is equal to minus 2. Hence, what are the points of contact? Yes, points of contact, they are, first point of contact is order pair minus 2 by 3, comma, value of y is minus 14 by 27, and second point is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 2. So these are the required points of contact. Okay, is that clear? Okay.